So Weir Minerals Malaysia is very significant. We are the sole producer of Linotex. We are supplying premium products, and with the investment that we've now seen, we are enhancing our position as a global supplier. Weir Minerals Malaysia is an 18-acre site here in Batu Caves. We've seen significant expansion across our facility. We've now got our new continuous process, so we have double the capacity that we had. We've got a range of new presses that we have installed, and we're very proud to have our new Banbury rubber mixing facility here in Malaysia. We're going to be manufacturing a range of compounds and other proprietary materials.
We will be conducting more testing to support this expansion. We are working on new innovations. We are developing new products, new generation Linotex for the future.
It also means that the site will continue to expand its customer base, the supplier base, and the work that it has done.
As we continue to grow and invest in the business, the future is very bright for everyone involved in Weir Minerals Malaysia and the Linotex brand across the globe.